Hey, and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In this video, we're going to look at 7 practical ways that you can get promoted as a software engineer. And if you like this video, then I'd love it if you can like and subscribe, maybe even comment below with your experiences of getting a promotion and how you went about it. So yeah, we'll have a look at how you can get promoted as a software engineer, and these are your practical tips. Let's get into it. So, number one, visibility. Visibility is extremely important for software engineers. What you need to do is make sure you communicate with as many people as possible and build connections with as many people as you can, because at the end of the day, the people that get promoted are the ones that have visibility, that they can show their work and others have seen their work. And yeah, so make sure you are visible. Tip number two, make sure you understand what is required of you. So in your next one-to-one, make sure you ask your manager, how am I heading towards a senior software engineer, or the next level, maybe a mid-level engineer? What are the steps I need to take? What do you expect of me? And that will be different for the different roles, for the different companies. But yeah, make sure you ask those questions and you understand what is required of you in order to get promoted. Tip number three, go beyond your day-to-day work. So, make sure you help out others, you mentor others, you go out of your way to find work that might not be on your day-to-day work. And once you've found that work, make sure you complete it and do a good job of it. And yeah, so make sure you are doing things that are outside of your day-to-day work. Tip number four, build cross-functional relationships. So don't just look to do a great job in your team. That is just the beginning steps. Once you've done a good job in your own team, you need to start looking at how you can start helping others elsewhere. So start looking, is there teams that you can help? Do you need help from other teams? And start bridging that gap between your team and some of those other teams in your organization. Tip number five is, funnily enough, communication skills. Communication skills are super important for software engineers. The reason for this is most software engineers are not great at communication skills, but in order to get promoted, especially at senior level or above, you need to have great communication skills. And the reason for that is you need to be able to explain your ideas and also, enforce them with your explanation. So being able to explain what to do is crucial. Tip number seven, time your ask. Sorry, tip number six, own your own problems. So if there are problems out there, find them and make sure not only to find them, but to fix them yourself. So, finding problems is great, but being able to then fix them as well is even better. So don't just, see what's wrong and then go and fix that thing, because that will give you great visibility. And finally, tip number seven is to time your ask. Make sure to ask for a promotion when it's most optimal. Once you've completed the high level project, something that lots of people are using, and you're getting good feedback, that is the time for you to ask for a promotion. But also, look at things like when your company does promotions. Is it the performance review period? So, don't just ask all the time, ask when you think you might get it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from people who have gone through a promotion process as a software engineer. So yeah, leave a comment down below of your experiences.